नाउ लेट अस टेक द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, और नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास है x of t is equal to rect of t by 2 minus tri of small t. Now what we have to do, we have to first represent both the signal. Let me represent both the signal one by one. So I am going to represent first solution. So I am going to represent first rect of t by 2, rect of t by 2. So you know very well this small t is nothing but independent variable. This is independent variable, and this 2 is nothing but width. This is width. So if I am going to represent this signal, so it will be look like this. So from -1 to +1, this is -1, this is 0, this is +1, this is small t, and this height is 1. Now tell me, any student is having any difficulty? I hope this is very much clear to you. Now let me represent another signal. Another signal is tri of small t. Fine. Now if I am going to represent this triangular signal, so this signal will be look like this. So it will be like this. So this is -1, this is 0, this is +1, and this is small t, and this height is 1. Now I can also write like this, small t by 1, and remember one thing, this small t represents basically independent variable. This small t represents what? Independent variable, fine. Or you can say that this one is only one-sided length, 1. Or you can also write like this, this is nothing but simply width by 2. Whatever may be width, simply divide that width by 2. So width must be 2 in this case. So then only 1 come into picture. Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract second signal, which is nothing but tri of small t. We have to subtract this signal from this. Now as you know very well, this signal is having value 1 from -1 to 1. And this signal is having value, because this is ramp, है ना? Ramp, this is line. This line is having positive slope, this line is having negative slope. But if I am talking about the values will be positive. Why values will be positive? Because this signal is represented above origin. So all values will be positive. So what we have to do, I will take the value at every instant of time, and then I will subtract this value from this signal. So this is the another easiest method to draw the resultant signal. So what I am going to do now, I will take a different instant. For example, t is equal to -1. I will take t is equal to -0.9, t is equal to -0.8, t is equal to -0.7, t is equal to -0.6, t is equal to -0.5, t is equal to -0.4, t is equal to -0.3, t is equal to -0.2, this is -0.1, this is 0. Fine. So t is equal to 0.1, then 0.2, then 0.5, then t is equal to finally 1. So let me take the values at a different time interval so that there will be no doubt. Fine. Now as you know very well, this signal is having value 1 from -1 to 1. So signal is having value 1. Signal is having value 1 at every instant of time between -1 to +1. So I'm just simply writing the value 1 here. So I am simply writing value 1 here. Fine. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. Now I'm going to subtract second signal, which is tri of small t. So minus. Fine. Now I am going to subtract the values. Remember one thing. Now can you tell me what is the value at 0? It is 1. So at 0 value is 1. So this is 0. Fine. Now I am just considering the positive inside. Now if you take 0.1, can you tell me what is the value at 0.1? At 0.1 value will be 0.9. It is decreasing now, so it will be less than 1. And why I am very pretty much sure that at 0.1 value is 0.9, because slope is equal because change in y-axis is 1, change in x-axis is 1. Fine. So slope will be 1. Fine. So can I say at 0.1 the value will be 0.9. So I am writing here at 0.1 it will be 0.9, then 0.8, and can I say at 0.5 what will happen? At 0.5 it will be 0.5, then only slope will be 1. So at 0.5 it is 0.5, and at 1 you know it is clearly visible, at 1 it is 0, so it is 0. So this is equal to 0.1, this is 0.2, this is 0.5, and this is 1. So I simply now I am going to draw the signal from 0 to 1. So let me draw the resultant signal. So I am going to draw from 0 to 1. So at t is equal to 0, the value is 0, and at t is equal to 1, value is 1. At t is equal to 1, value is 1. This value is 1, and at point 1 it is 0.1, at point 2 it is 0.2, at point 5 it is 0.5, at point 6 it is 0.6. So it will be linearly increasing like this. Signal will be represented like this. I think this is very much clear to you. Fine. I think this is very much clear to you. Fine. Now let me take the values for the negative interval. Now if you see at 0 this is 1. So can you tell me what is the value at minus 0.1? It will be 0.9, which must be less than 1. So can I say at 0.1 it is 0.9. At 0.1 it is 0.9. At 0.2 it is 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. And at t is equal to minus 1 it is 0. So it will be 1, this is 0.9, this is 0.8, this is 0.7, this is 0.6, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, this is 0.2, this is 0.1. Fine. So if I am going to draw this signal will be look like this. This is minus 1. So signal will be look like this. So this is the final resultant signal. Fine. So I am going to plot all the values. At minus 1 it is 1 and the value is decreasing, the value is decreasing like this. So this is the final answer. I hope in this question nobody is having any doubt. So if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. I will be definitely replying to your doubt. Thank you so much.